Pastor Dlamini and Mabizela fight over Philile. Wavela umuthi nge-chokeslam uMabizela engasakhali njengengane encane. Zwelethhu points a gun at Martha and he gets arrested on the spot. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Smoke and Mirrors. Pastor Dlamini went to talk to Mabizela and find him at the hotel. I need to talk to you. I need 100k, but Pastor Dlamini doesn't have that kind of money. Let's negotiate. That's okay, fine. If you just give me one night with Utak Dindi, I can erase his credit. Pastor Dlamini, because you want to sleep with my wife. What they started fighting. People had to come and separate them. Hey, Pastor Mabizela like picked him up nge-chokeslam engasahayizi Pastor Dlamini. Ecasukile Mabizela, he was furious. How can this guy embarrass him in front of everyone like that because he's feared in the community? And then Jackson tells Martha Ubodla didn't make it, Zwele to kill him. At how because you said he's the best. It means he was too weak for Zwele to manje. What do you do? Martha, you need to run away. Balek, I'll tell you when it's safe to come back. And then they planned was manje, what do we do now? They survived. They're shooting from Ubodla and managed to kill Ubodla. But now what do they do? Jackson, he'll take care of it. He takes his gun and goes to point it at Martha. And it's a trap. Martha already has kept Captain on speed dial. Captain comes in and finds Zwele pointing a gun at Martha and arrested him on the spot. Now it's like Zwele wanted to kill Martha Lapaya on broad daylight in front of people. Arrested him and took him into custody. And then Philile goes to Supechuna Kutao. I'm just worried about you, man. I'm so sorry you got hurt. I said, no, it's not your fault. It's fine. He's overrighty. And then Pastor Dlamini, Philile, they decided Ufanyana must come back as a and then he must also walk Ukaise to school. Ukaise is just excited because Ustandel Ufanyana. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.